Okay. So write the next question. Find the equation. Find the equation of the perpendicular bisector of AB. Find the equation of the perpendicular bisector of AB. Find the equation of the perpendicular bisector of AB. Find the equation of the perpendicular bisector of AB, where A and B, where A and B, where A and B, where A and B, where A and B are the points 3, 6, 3, 6, and minus 3, 4 respectively. Okay, 3, 6, 3, 6, and minus 3, 4 respectively. Okay. Also find the point of intersection. Also find the point of intersection. Also find the point of intersection with. Also find the point of intersection with the x-axis and y-axis. X-axis and y-axis. Okay. Okay. I'll read it. Find the equation of the perpendicular bisector of. Find the equation of the perpendicular bisector of AB. Find the equation of the perpendicular bisector of AB, where A and B are the points 3, 6, and minus 3, 4. Find the equation of the perpendicular bisector of AB, where A equal A 3, 6, B minus 3, 4. Also find the point of intersection with x-axis and y-axis. Also find the point of intersection with the x-axis and y-axis. This is a star question. Okay. Okay. Look at here. Question clear or not? Find the equation of the perpendicular bisector of AB. That's the question. Look, A here, B here. A is 3, 6, right? Look. Oh, this is a small question. Everyone heard, no? Find the equation. Listen, once again, I'll read. Find the equation of the perpendicular bisector of AB. Find the equation of the perpendicular bisector of AB, where A and B are points 3, 6, and minus 3, 4. Also find the point of intersection with the x-axis and y-axis. Okay, clear now? Okay, now A 3, 6, B minus 3, 4. Minus 3, 4. Find the equation of the perpendicular bisector. So this is the perpendicular bisector here. Okay. This equation we have to find. The equation of this equation we have to find out. Question clear or not? Hello. Okay, now what we'll do? Find the equation of the perpendicular bisector. Okay, listen here. There is a special character here. Look, you studied last year. Any point on the perpendicular bisector which is equidistant from A and B. You learned, no? Last year. Hello. You learned last year. Any point on the perpendicular bisectors. For example, here. Okay. P, Q. If you draw perpendicular, take one point. This will be equal. Take another point. This will be equal. Take another point. This will be equal. This will be equal. You learned last year, right? Hello. Last year you learned this theorem. Any point on the perpendicular bisector which is equidistant from A and B. right? You learned, I think, last year you learned this one. Any point on the perpendicular bisector which is equidistant from A and B. Okay, now this one we are using this one here. Look, take a point P on the perpendicular bisector. Suppose P here, X comma Y. Take a point X comma Y on the perpendicular bisector. Then we know that PA equal to PB. Okay, PA equal to PB. Understood? No, this is I'm talking about last year portions. Last year example 7, I think. Okay, triangle example 7 you did. Yeah, look, example 7 only. Look at here, example 7. Okay, so that means look at here now. What I did, take a point P on the perpendicular bisector, okay, of AB, and we know that PA equal to PB. So PA square equal to PB square. So x minus 3 whole square plus y minus 6 whole square equal to x plus 3 whole square plus y minus 4 whole square. Okay. Then x square plus 9 minus 6x plus y square minus 12y plus 36 equal to x square plus 9 plus 6x plus y square plus 16 minus 8y. X square, y square all cancelled. Okay. Then here, take it all one side. Then 6x coming here, 12x minus 8. This is coming here, my plus 4y. Okay. Then 9 plus 45. Oh, this 9 both side cancelled. Then 36 only here, no? 36. Yeah, 36 going here. That is what? Minus 20. Correct or no? Minus 20 equal to 0. Right? So we okay, now we can cancel by 4. 3x plus y minus 5 equal to 0. This is the equation. Hello, now we got the equation. This is the equation of the perpendicular bisector of AB. Which one? 3x plus y, listen, 3x plus y minus 5 equal to 0 is the equation of the equation of the perpendicular bisector of AB. The plan understood or not? What we did, we took a general point, let P x comma y, any point on the perpendicular bisector. And we know that a point on the perpendicular bisector which is equidistant from A and B. So PA equal to PB. Finally, we got this is the equation. Are you clear or not? Is it okay? Okay or not? Hello. Okay, then right. I'll give a note. Let P x comma you mark like this. Okay. Okay, right. Let P x comma y. Let P x comma y any point on the any point on the perpendicular bisector of. Let P x comma y any point on the perpendicular bisector of AB. Then so PA equal to PB. PA equal to PB. Then PA square equal to PB square. Okay, right up to here. Okay. X minus 3. Others. I have no comment that one. Okay. What is the distance formula, man? What is the distance formula? P x comma y. A 3 comma 6. Then what is the distance formula? You didn't check last class note. Just join. This is the continuation. I told you, this is the continuation of the last class. Then what? What is the distance formula? X2 minus x1 whole square or y2 minus y1 whole square, right? Then what? Then why you ask such a stupid question? So P x comma y, A 3 comma 6. What the distance? Root of x minus 3 whole square plus y minus 6 whole square. Then PB, x plus 3 whole square plus y minus 4 whole square. Squaring, root sign is gone. Simplify, you get this one. Okay. Okay. Okay, now we got the first part. Second part is what? Second part is what? Find the point of intersection with the x-axis. Okay, look at here now. Look at here. The point of this line, the perpendicular bisector. Listen, the perpendicular bisector. We got the equation. Now this perpendicular bisector intersect with the x-axis. What the coordinate? And we know that you studied last year. When a line intersects the x-axis, y coordinate is 0. So then write 3x plus y minus 15 intersect the x-axis. 3x equal to 5. X equal to 5 by 3. Coordinate is what? 5 by 3 comma 0. Right. Right. The line 3x plus y. The line 3x the line 3x plus y minus 15, the line 3x plus y minus 5 equal to 0, intersect the x-axis. Then 3x equal to 5 because y equal to 0. 3x equal to 5, x equal to 5 by 3 comma 0. 5 by 3 comma 0. Okay. Similarly, the line intersects the y-axis. Similarly, the line intersects the y-axis. 3x. Sorry, intersect y-axis means x0. Y equal to 5. Coordinate is what? 5, 0. Okay. Listen, you learn this one now. When a line intersects the x-axis, y coordinate is 0. When a line intersects the y-axis, x coordinate is 0. Okay. Okay. So 0, 5 and 5 by 3, 0. Is it okay? Others clear now? Hello, others. Is it clear or not? Okay. Anyone had doubt? Asma, is it okay? Okay. I wrote is wrong. 0, 5. 0, 5. Yes, 0, 5. Correct, Dinesh. Okay. So next question. Next. Find the value of x. Next question. Find the value of x. Find the value of x. Find the value of x. Find the value of x if the distance between the point, x comma minus 1 and 0 comma and 3, 2 is 5. The distance, find the value of x. Find the value of x if the distance between x comma minus 1 and 3, 2 is 5. Okay. Here, find out. Find the distance between the point x comma minus 1 and 3, 2 is 5. Okay, try it. Okay, screen. You got the question now, Divansh. You got the question now. Then you try now. Forget about the screen. Okay. Question. Mega. Find the distance between the points. The distance between the point x comma minus 1 and 3, 2 is 5. Clear now? Okay. The distance between the points, the distance between Okay. Look, what are you saying? Others, what are you saying? Root of 18? No. Look at here. X minus 3 whole square plus 3 minus 2 minus minus 1 whole square equal to what is the distance? Distance how much? 5. So 25. Okay. And x square, okay, plus 9 minus 6x plus 9 equal to 25. Correct or no? Because 2 minus minus of 3. 3 square is 9. Okay. So x square minus 6x plus 18 minus 25 equal to 0. So x square minus 6x minus how much? 7 equal to 0. X minus 6 into, no, x minus 7 into x plus 1 equal to 0. X equal to 7 and minus 1. Two answer, x equal to 7 or minus 1. X equal to 7 or minus 1. For all got. Okay. X equal to 7 or minus 1. Okay. So, okay, finish. Okay, I'll wait. Okay, finish. Okay, next question, right? Suppose 3 sides are given. Hello, my question. 3 sides are given. How to check whether we can form a triangle or not? Any idea? 3 sides are given. Length of 2 sides are given. How to check whether we can form a triangle or not? Suppose AB 1, BC 1, CD 4 can make a triangle. Hello. The sum. Okay. How we can check it? Others. How we can check? The sum of 2 sides should be greater than third side, right? Suppose look at here. 3, 4, 5. 3 plus 4 greater than 5. 4 plus 5 greater than 3. Okay. 3 plus 5 greater than 4. Like that. Sum of any 2 sides. Sum of any 2 sides should be greater than the third side. Are you okay or not? Then only we can form a triangle. Like 1, 1, 2 can form a triangle. 1 plus 1 cannot form a triangle, right? This one we cannot form. Reason is what? Suppose you make it 2 here, 2 centimeters. When you take a compass, it won't reach here. That's the reason. Okay. To form a triangle means from here, arc here, and arc to intersect it. Then only can form a triangle. Okay. So keep in mind the sum of two sides should be greater than third side. Any two, not that means look AB plus BC greater than AC. AB plus AC greater than BC. BC plus AB, BC plus AC greater than AB, like that. Sum of any two sides should be greater than third side. You write in a note. To form a triangle, because last year I think you didn't learn this one. Okay, sum of two sides of a triangle. Sum of two sides of a triangle should be greater than third side. Sum of two sides of a triangle should be greater than third side. Okay, right. Question. Do the point A, 3, 2. A 3, 2, B -2, -3, C 2, 3. Okay. Form a triangle. Form a triangle. Form a triangle. If so, name the type of the triangle form. If so, name the type of triangle so formed. If so, name the triangle so formed. Okay, try now. Question. And do the point A 3, 2, B -2, -3, C 2, 3 form a triangle. Form a triangle. That means question is what? With these points can form a triangle or not? If so, which type of triangle? Okay, try now. Okay, clear now. And okay, try now. First you find AB, BC, AC and check it whether it can form a triangle or not. Okay, try now. Scalene triangle. Okay, good. Anyway, form a triangle, right? Or not, President? AB plus BC greater than AC. AC plus BC greater than AB. AB plus AC greater than BC. Triangle not form. Right triangle. Okay, who said triangle not form? Who's that? Others? Hey, come on, man. Don't say such a cruel idea. Okay. Triangle not form. Don't say. Others? Megan, getting or not? Megan and Mega, getting or not? Okay. Okay, I'll wait. Okay, I'll wait. I'll wait. I'm finding AB. Root of 3 minus 2 whole square plus 2 minus 3 whole square. That is 5 square plus 5 square equal to root of 50. You got like that? AB 50. Then Dilna, wait. BC root of 2 minus 2 whole square plus 3 minus 3 whole square. So that is 4 square plus 6 square. How much? 16 plus 36 root of 52. Okay. Then AC root of 3 minus 2 whole square plus 3 minus 2 whole square. That is root of 2. Okay. So that means here, okay, AB plus, okay, you got like this, right? You got AB root of 50, BC root of 52, AC root of 2. So AB plus BC, AB plus BC, AB plus BC greater than AC. Correct or no? AB plus BC, right? AB plus BC greater than AC. Then AC plus BC, AC plus BC greater than AB. Okay. And AB plus AC, AB plus AC greater than BC. So we can form a triangle. Correct? Everybody got that? Vidya, you finish? Okay, doing. Okay, I'll wait. Wait. Okay, Vidya, finish it fast. It's last class continuation. I told you last class. Okay, you just find AB, find BC and AC. That's why I'm telling, if it is coming If it is coming equal, cannot form. Understood now? 1 plus 1, 1, 1 cannot form like that. That's why telling you the condition is what? The sum of the two sides is greater than third side. Here, okay. Here what? AB plus A, listen, AB plus BC. AB plus BC. Sure, it is greater than AC. Freisner. Look, AB plus BC, sure, greater than AC. Correct or no? No, don't take square means what? Square we cannot, listen, again you make a mistake, man. Don't, square cannot equal. See, AB square. Okay, square, don't take it. Okay. Listen. So then square we need. Okay, that's why I didn't write there. Okay. Then BC plus AC greater than AB. AB plus AC greater than BC. Okay, now we can form a triangle. Now, which type of triangle this one? Last chance. Anyone? Megan, which triangle this one? Dilna still with Kavani, Kavani, Mega, Dilna, all with Nia, all with scale and triangle only. Isosceles. How isosceles, Sudisha? You can, your eyes any problem. This is root of 50, root of 52. How come isosceles means Sudisha? Come on. Listen here. I'll send you in our group class 7 triangle chapter. Giant. What is equilateral mean? What mean? Equilateral, what the meaning? You study this one. Fools. Equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle, what the meaning, man? Giant. What the meaning that? Okay, all sides are equal. Here, AB root of 50, root of 50, root of 52, root of 2 is equal. What is stupid is telling? Okay, I'm sending you class 7 triangle reader. Okay. Class 7 triangle reader, I'll send you in our group. Okay. You check that one. So study the triangle. I have no time to teach that all. Okay. I don't have time for now. What is the equilateral triangle? What is scalar triangle? Okay. Now look at here. Kavani, Megan, Dilna. Listen. What about AB square plus AC square? AB square plus AC square equal to what? AB square root of 50 whole square plus root of 2 whole square. 50 plus 2 equal to 52, which is equal to AC square, right? Which is equal to BC square, which is equal to BC square. Correct? Which is equal to BC square. So it is what? Right angle triangle. Correct or no? Megan, Kavani, Dilna. It's a right angle triangle. Okay, do that one. Right. AB square plus AC square. AB square plus AC square. AB square plus AC square equal to root of 50 whole square plus root of 2 square equal to 50 plus 2 equal to root of 52 equal to BC square. Therefore, triangle ABC is a right angle triangle. Triangle ABC is a right angle triangle. Right angle at A. Right angle at A because BC is the hypotenuse. Right angle at A. Giant. Yes, sure, no. Particular triangle asking, you have to specify that. Giant, I really surprised, man. You telling that answer. Okay. Equilateral triangle, a class 10 student saying like this. Okay, if it's a scalene triangle, okay. Scalene triangle, at least there is something there is. Akshar, they're asking you what type of triangle. Okay. Scalene triangle, any police can answer it. Akshar. Scalene triangle means anybody can answer it. Any police can answer that. But you need a specific this question. That means what? Equal right angle triangle. Right angle at A. Okay. Next. Little tough question. Okay. Little tough question. Are you ready now? Are you ready for the tough question? Hello. Are you ready for the tough question? Because I hope all check the last class note, right? Okay. So I send you class 7 chapter, triangle chapter. Okay. Okay. I don't know. This is not in one class really in triangle chapter, they have no idea the meaning of opposite side. What I have to do? No idea about opposite. I asked in Hindi, Malayalam, and Kannada, Telugu, Bengali, and Hindi. The word I changed, but still no idea which what the meaning of opposite side. So now your batch also like this. Equilateral triangle, a class 10 student asking me, what is that? Okay. So now look at here. Question. It's a tough question. Okay. Right. If P and Q are star question. Okay. If P and Q are 2 points, if P and Q are 2 points, P and Q are 2 points whose coordinates are a t square, comma 2at. First point is P is a t square 2at. Q a by t square, comma 2a by t. 2a by t. Okay. And S is a point. S is a point a comma 0. S is a point a comma 0. S is a point a comma 0. Show that 1 by SP plus 1 by SQ, 1 by SP plus 1 by SQ is independent of T. 1 by SP plus 1 by SQ is independent of T. Okay. 1 by SP plus 1 by SQ is independent of T. Question clear? P a t square comma 2at. A t square comma 2at. Q a by t square comma 2a by t. S a comma 0. Then show that 1 by SP plus 1 by SQ is independent of T. What is the meaning of Nia? Question clear. See. Nia, can you see the board? This is P. This is Q. This is S. Then 1 by SP plus 1 by SQ is independent of T. What is the meaning of independent of T? Yeah, that means there is no T in the answer. Correct or no? There is no T in the answer. Can you try this one? You try, because you can find SP using distance formula. You find out SQ, distance formula, and substitute, you try. Nia, you got the question? Okay, so try now. Those who have idea about the distance formula only can solve this one. You have P, you have Q, you have S. First you find SP, then find SQ, then simplify. You'll get an answer without T. Okay. Okay, try now. Okay. Okay, copy this. Try now.
Yeah.
Hello, getting it now? Yeah. Take your time, no problem. Okay, you got it? Okay, wait. Let's finish all. Okay, wait. Let's finish all. Varnit, finish or not? Okay. Wait. Verona, Dilna. Okay, I'll wait. Okay. Now look at here. Hello, listen here. I'm finding first SP. Look at here. SP equal to root of A. Listen out. Hello. Those not getting, listen here. A minus A T square whole square plus, I think better I write here, needs more space. Okay. Look. SP equal to root of A minus A T square whole square plus 2A T whole square, because 0 minus, that is root of A square plus A square T square minus 2A square T square plus 4A square T square. Correct? I open A square T, A square T raised to A square T raised to 4, right? No, wait. A into A minus A T square whole square plus 2A T square. Okay, A square plus A square T raised to 4 minus 2A square T square plus 4A square T square, right? Check. Correct or no? A square, a square t raised to 4. Okay, then this is equal to a square plus a square t raised to 4 plus 2 a square t square. That is equal to a plus a t square whole square. Correct or no? A square plus b square plus 2ab, which is equal to a plus a t square. This is the SP. Okay, who not getting copy up to here. Copy up to here, SP. Right. Right up to SP. Okay. Now, I hope, listen, everyone got SP, right? Everyone got SP, okay or not? Okay, now I'm going to find SQ. Look at here. I'm going to find SQ. SQ equal to root of a minus a by t square whole square plus 2a by t whole square, right? Able, look, a minus a by t square whole square, a minus a by t square whole square plus 2a by t whole square. Then a square plus a square by t raised to 4 minus 2a square by t square plus 4a square by t square. Okay, that is equal to, look, here root of a square plus a square by t raised to 4, look, plus 2 a square by t square. That is a plus a by t square whole square. Correct or no? A square plus b square plus 2ab, which is equal to a plus a by t square. This one. Okay, now you copy SQ. Able, clear now? Okay. Okay, copy all up to SQ. Okay. Now we got, now we are going to find 1 by SP. What you find out? 1 by SP plus 1 by SQ. 1 divided by SP. A plus a t square plus a plus a by t square. Okay, that is 1 by a plus a t square plus 1 divided by a t square plus a by t square going up. LCM t square going up. Okay. Look at here, same denominator. Same denominator we can write what? 1 plus t square by a plus a t square, which is equal to 1 plus t square by a into 1 plus t square. That is cancelled. Answer is what? 1 by a. Answer is 1 by a, which is independent of t. Which is independent of t. Okay, copy now. Nia, you all got Kavani, you all got up to here, right? Okay, then good. Okay. Okay, finish it first. Okay, finish. Hello, finish or not? Okay. Okay, finish, Asma. Okay. How to show collinear? 3 points are collinear. How to show? How to check whether collinear or not? What do you mean by collinear? Hello. What do you mean by collinear? Straight line, right? How to check it? 3 points are collinear, like A, B, C are collinear. How to check? How to check it's a collinear or not? Hey, come on. Just now we discussed no. Sum of the two side is greater than third side. We can form a triangle, correct? Hello. Sum of the two sides is, if the sum of the two side is greater than the third side, we can form a triangle. Then what collinear means what? Collinear means what? Hello. Why no one responding? Hello. If 3 points lie on a straight line, then how to show? Okay, triangle, how you show? Three coordinates are given. How to show triangle? Just now we showed no. We showed some of the two side is greater than third side. Then what about collinear? No, collinear means what? Sum of the two side is equal to the third side. That means AB plus BC equal to AC, or AB plus AC equal to AC, equal to BC, like that. Okay, sum of the two side is greater than sum of the two side is equal to the third side. Then it is collinear. Not common point, Dinesh. Okay, write this one. Show that the points 1, -1, 5, 2, 9, 5 are collinear. 9, 5 are collinear. Okay. Right now. 1, -1, 5, 2, 9, 5 are collinear. You find out. We don't know the order A, B, C. You find A, B, B, C, A, C, and check any order. If it is equal, we can say they are collinear. Right now. Okay, finish. Not collinear. Others, sure. Not collinear. Very good. Okay, no problem. You just write not collinear. Okay. If it's not collinear, no problem. That also answer. Don't worry, man. Okay. What about rest all? Hello. Rest all fine first. Yeah, you got? Dinesh. Okay. Look, look at here. Let me check. AB root of 5 minus 4 whole square plus 2 minus 1 whole square. 1 square plus 3 square. Right? That is what? 1 plus 9 equal to root of 10. Right? Is it root of 10? Is it root of 10? Check. Correct or not? I did. AB. No, I think wrong I did. 5 minus 1. The points, let me check. 1 minus 1, 5, 2, 9, 5. AB. Yeah, okay. Right. I made a mistake. Okay. Root of 5 minus 1 whole square plus 2 minus 1 whole square. That is 4 square plus 3 square. 16 plus 9 equal to 5. Okay. BC root of 9 minus 5 whole square plus 5 minus 2 whole square. Root of 4 square plus 3 square. 16 plus 9 equal to again 5. Okay. AC root of 9 minus 1, 7 square. Hey, 8 square plus 5, 6 square. That is 10. Hey, come on. Freisner. Correct? No? AB plus BC equal to AC. Hello? Hello? Freisner. It is collinear. Correct or no? It is collinear because AB plus BC equal to you write AB plus BC equal to AC. Therefore, ABC are collinear. Okay. No problem. Any man, because this is not in order. No. Who said equal? Come on. I told you know how we know it is. Listen, this position we just guess no, right? This position not fixed. Sum of any two side is equal to the third side. This all we fixed, not in order. Oh my God. This is maybe A, maybe different places. Okay. We don't bother that. Listen, how you prove the triangle? Sum of any two sides. Sum of any two side is greater than third side. Like that, sum of any two side is equal to the third side. They are collinear. Clear now? Is it okay? Aditya, is it clear now? Hello, Aditya. Okay, so next question, right? Next one. Right. If A 5 2, if A 5 2, if A 5 2, A 5 2, B 2 minus 2, C minus 2, T are the vertices of a right angle triangle. Are the vertices of a right angle triangle. Are the vertices of a right angle triangle. A 5 2, B 2 minus 2, C minus 2, T are the vertices of a right angle triangle with angle B 90 degree. With angle B 90 degree. Angle B 90 degree. Find T. Find the value of T. A 5 comma 2, B 2 minus 2, C minus 2 T. Okay. Find the value are the vertices of a right angle triangle. Angle B 90 degree. Angle B 90 degree. Okay. Try now. Question, Abir. A 5 2, B 2 minus 2, C minus 2 T. Right? So video, Abir, video clear now? Hello, Abir. A 5 2, B 2 minus 2, C minus 2, minus 2 T. Angle B 90. Form a right triangle. Find the value of T. Okay. Okay, try now. Yes, Kavani, that is correct. Okay. Wait. Let's finish all. Others getting? Two values? I don't think two values here. I don't think two values, Preissner. Okay. No, Dilna. Dilna, what happened to you? So here, look. A, B, C. 5, 2. 2 minus 2. Minus 2, T. Right? Let us see. Let me check. Okay, I'm doing now. Okay. Okay. AB. How much? So we can write AB square equal to 5 minus 2 whole square plus 2 minus 2 whole square. That is 3 square plus 4 square equal to 9 plus 16 equal to 25. This is our AB square. You got like this, AB square equal to 25. Okay, now you got that. 5 minus 3 square my 4 square. Okay. Then BC square equal to 2 minus 2 4 square plus T plus 2 whole square. That is 16 plus T square plus 4T plus 4. Right? Okay. This one. Now, AC square. AC square is 5 plus 2 whole square plus 2 minus T whole square. That is 7 square plus 4 plus T square plus minus, no? Okay, minus 40. Okay. This is the that is 49 plus 4 plus T square minus 40. 53 plus T square minus 40. This all correct or not? Hello, this all correct or not? Okay, then after that, AB square plus BC square. AB square plus AB square 25 plus 16 plus T square plus 40 plus 4 equal to 53 plus T square minus 40. T square cancelled. Fractional, there is no square. 25 plus 16, how much? Okay, now you can complete it. You will get a fractional. There is no okay, there is not No, t equal to 1. T equal to 1. T equal to 1. Okay, answer is t equal to 1. Check it now. See here, 41, 45. 45 plus 40 equal to 53 minus 40. 53 coming here, how much? Minus 8 equal to minus 8t. T equal to 1. T equal to 1. Okay, complete first. We all got t equal to 1. Okay. Okay, so next question, right? Find the coordinates of the circumference of the triangle. Find the coordinates of the find the coordinates find the coordinates find the coordinates find the coordinates of the circumcenter of the triangle. Find the coordinates of the circumcenter of the triangle. Okay. Okay. Find the coordinates of the circumcenter of a triangle whose vertices are 8, 6, whose coordinates are 8, 6, 8 minus 2, and 2 minus 2. 2 minus 2. Also find the circumradius. Also find the circumradius. Once again, find the coordinates of the circumcenter. Find the coordinates of the circumcenter. Find the coordinates of the circumcenter of a triangle. Find the coordinates of the circumcenter of a triangle. Find the coordinates of the circumcenter of a triangle whose vertices are 8, 6 and 8 minus 2 and 2 minus 2. 2 minus 2. Okay. Also find the circumradius. Okay. Question clear or not? Okay. Now, what do you mean by circumcenter of a triangle? Circumcircle is what? What do you mean by circumcircle? Hello. Circle of a triangle. What is the meaning? Come on, fast. Yashvi. What is that? Circumcircle of a triangle. Center. Center means what? Center of the triangle and circle. What is the meaning that Freisner? Center of the triangle and the circle. What do you mean that? Triangle, there is a center, there is triangle. There is a center. I don't know. No, Meghana. Mega, not that. A circle inside the triangle. No. That is called a circle inside the triangle. It is called Safilya. It is called incircle. That is called incircle. Last year, I gave the note for this. Last year, I gave the note. Circumcircle, incircle. Yes, that is correct. Perpendicular bisector of a triangle. That is correct. But what do you mean? Circumcircle. Last year, I gave the note. Okay. Anyway, look at here. A circle passing through the vertex of a triangle. A circle passing through the vertices of a triangle, like this. This one. This is called the circumcircle. Okay. Circle not inside. Aksha. That is called incircle. This one, you're telling this one. This is called incircle. Okay. This is incircle. This is circumcircle. Circle passing through the vertices of a triangle. Okay. How we'll get the center? That's only Ashvi said. How it's out of our portion. Listen. How to get the center means perpendicular bisector. Okay. Let's forget about that now. Okay. Now here, this is a 8, 6. Okay. 8 minus 2. This one, 2 minus 2. Okay, center here. Okay, can you suggest how to find the center? Can you suggest? Hello, can you suggest? Anyone? Come on, man. Fast. Anyone can suggest? Yes, OA equal to OB equal to OC. Join. Okay, you write OA equal to OB equal to OC. Then OA square equal to OB square equal to OC square. Correct? OA equal to OB equal to OC. Therefore, OA square equal to OB square equal to OC square. Take one. OA square equal to OB square. Get an equation. Then OB square equal to OC square. Get another equation. Okay, then solving, you will get, you can take this is X comma Y. Okay, the star question first, right? Okay, find out now. Plan understood or not? Hello, you got the plan? Aksha, Nia, others, understood the plan? Okay, plan means what? O X comma Y, O X comma Y. Then OA equal to OB equal to OC. OA square equal to OB square equal to OC square. First, you take these two, get an equation. Then OB square equal to OC square, get an equation. Solve this one. Solving, you will get X and Y. After getting X and Y, you can find out the OA using again distance formula. Akshar, I'll kill you. Its radius, OA. OA, OB, OC are radius, no. Okay. Circle, circle passing through the vertices of a triangle. That center is called circumcenter. Last year, triangle chapter, I gave you a detailed note. Orthocenter, circumcenter, incenter, centroid, this all. You remember or not? If you have a note, just take it and read it. These are the points. Circumcenter, okay, incenter, orthocenter, centroid. Okay. Okay, now clear. Now you can find out. Okay, I'll give the answer. Answer is 5-2 and center is 5-2. Center is not down. Center is 5-2. Radius is 5. Okay, you have to complete this one. So next class I'll go to the next section. That's why. Okay. Okay, this is enough today.